Hello dear students, today we are going to see lesson number 17, prepositions, and we will learn different or several kinds of prepositions as well. Before that, okay, let me tell you the word prepositions. Okay, this word consists of two. Pre means okay before, and positions means place. Okay, positions, preposition, that means the place. So it is placed before something. So where it is placed, before what it is placed, we are going to see. Now what is the prepositions? Let's see. It says preposition is a word used where this preposition is used before noun or a pronoun to denote its relation with the other parts of speech in a sentence. So let me repeat once again. So where to use, as I have already told, okay, it is used before, okay, somewhere it is used. So before word, okay, which are those words? Like noun or pronoun. So as a definitions, if I tell you, it would be like this. A preposition is a word used before a noun or a pronoun to denote its relation with other parts of speech in a sentence. Just like when I say, I have a pen to write with. I have a pen to write with. He purchased a chair to sit in. What are you looking at? So these are a few examples of prepositions. Now, here you can see I have divided the prepositions into different kinds. Or the several kinds of prepositions you can see. The prepositions of place, preposition of time, preposition of travel or movement, preposition of state or manner, and then we have preposition of reason, cause or purpose, and then preposition of origin. Now, which are those words that are included, okay, in each of the category that I have made? So let's see the first one, preposition of place. So here I will write at, in, then on, before, then behind, then you can say beside, then over, let me write here only, over, then we have under, then beneath, then near, and between. So these are some examples of prepositions of place. The first one we have here at, in, on, before, behind, beside, over, under, beneath, near, and between. So remember the prepositions of place. Let us now move on to the next one, prepositions of time. So here also at, in, on, then we'll write after, then by, then within, then we'll write from, then during, then we have a since, for, then till, we have until, so these are some examples of prepositions of time: at, in, on, after, by, within, during, since, for, till, until. We'll write the next one, prepositions of travel and movement. Here we have from, then to, we'll write into, then on, then off, then we'll write, okay, by, through, then across. So these are the examples of prepositions of travel and movement: from, to, into, on, off, by, through, then across. We have the next one, that is manner. We'll write in, by, with. In, by, with. We have the reason, for reasons, okay, for, then of, then from, and we write with. And for origin we have from. So these are some, okay, examples of different kinds of prepositions along with the word I have just written down. Maybe while I said all these words, you might have listened to me. So these are few examples of the prepositions, and we will be discussing each, okay, according to the differences. Like we have here the difference between above and over, at and in, into and in. So there are some differences, okay, when to use, like in and within. So what is the difference? These things I will be discussing, okay, during your class. Please, okay, pay attention to all these things. Now as we have from the book, okay, let's see from page number 119. Here it says we have the different, okay, some commonly used prepositions include in, of, to, at, by, for, which, under, then above, into, onto, upon, about, okay, all these things are there. And dear students, I just ask you to do the exercises, okay, exercise number A and B. Here we have fill in the blanks with the appropriate prepositions. Joe waited for the bus at the corner of the street. The bus was on time. She forgot to got into the bus. She forgot to got into the bus and looked at her watch. So this is how you will be doing it from this exercise number A. I'm just erasing now.